The fundamental duties are a set of moral obligations for every citizen of India, enshrined in Part 4A of the Indian Constitution under Article 51A. They were added by the 42nd Amendment Act in 1976, upon the recommendations of the Swaran Singh Committee. Initially, there were 10 fundamental duties, but an additional duty was added by the 86th Amendment Act in 2002, making a total of 11. List of fundamental duties. 1. To abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. Every citizen must respect and uphold the constitutional framework and symbols of national pride. 2. To cherish and follow the noble ideals that inspired the national struggle for freedom. Citizens should uphold the values and principles that guided India's freedom movement. 3. To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. Citizens are expected to work towards maintaining the nation's unity and security. 4. To defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. Every citizen has a duty to serve the nation and contribute to its defense when required. 5. To promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, and regional or sectional diversities. To renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women. Citizens should work towards social harmony and gender equality. 6. To value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. It is a duty to respect and protect India's diverse cultural heritage. 7. To protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers, and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. Citizens should be environmentally conscious and work towards preserving nature. To develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Encouraging a rational and scientific outlook is a duty of every citizen. To safeguard public property and to abjure violence. Citizens should protect public property and avoid any acts of violence. To strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity, so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of endeavor and achievement. It is the duty of every citizen to aim for excellence and contribute positively to the nation. 11. Who is a parent or guardian to provide opportunities for education to his child, or, as the case may be, ward between the ages of 6 and 14 years. This duty was added by the 86th Amendment and emphasizes the importance of education for children. Significance of fundamental duties. 1. Moral obligations. Fundamental duties serve as moral obligations for citizens, reminding them of their responsibilities towards the nation and society. The promotion of citizenship values. Well, these duties really foster a sense of discipline and commitment among citizens. It's essential, for the successful functioning of a democracy. 3. Complement to fundamental rights. While the Constitution guarantees fundamental rights to citizens, the fundamental duties act as a counterbalance, reminding them of their duties towards the state and fellow citizens. 4. National integration and unity. The duties encourage actions that foster national unity, environmental conservation, and respect for the nation's heritage and institutions. 5. Legal significance. Though not enforceable by law like fundamental rights, the fundamental duties can be used by courts to interpret and give effect to the laws. Conclusion. The fundamental duties are integral to the Constitution as they serve as a constant reminder to citizens of their role in building a responsible and conscientious society. They underscore the idea that rights and duties go hand in hand, and for a democracy to function effectively, citizens must not only enjoy their rights, but also fulfill their duties.